What's up guys, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video where today I have got my hands on this Akenori DashCam Angel, which come with the capability of recording full HD 1080p, a smacking nice crispy clear night vision with the help of Sony Exmor CMOS camera lens, which is fantastic for the night vision recording. Now here we have all the specification about this dash camera, and the link for that is also available in the video description. You will definitely notice a difference in this camera design if you compare with any typicals available in the market today. Now dash camera does not come with any LCD screen. Now to set it up and see the footage, you have to use your mobile phone. App is available for Android as well as for iOS users. Installing this camera on your windscreen is a straightforward and easy job. Simply install the windscreen mount and slide your camera in it. Now just before going ahead and going into the more detail of this video, I would like to show you the day as well as the nighttime recording of this dash camera to give you an idea. Well, you have seen the daytime as well as the nighttime recording of this camera. Now let's open up the box and see what we have in there. First, to start with, we have a cigarette lighter charger with the two USB ports, one micro SD card adapter, and Akenori card DVR, which you can tell by the design, it looks all elegant. And to be honest with you, once it's placed on your car, it looked like a built-in piece of your car itself. To start with, on top of it, we have a one mini USB port for charging this camera system, and on the left side of camera, we have access towards micro SD card slot, reset pin, as well as the HDMI port. Now in the front we have a camera lens which is fully protected and air sealed. Lens could be moved up and down and everywhere locked up by using this knob on the back. Now just under knob controlling the lens, we have a power on and off button and two multifunction buttons as well. Package also includes one user manual and couple of camera mounting brackets with a 3M VHB highly adhesive tape on it. Here you have two mounting brackets. You can select the one which you're going to install on your windscreen and slide in your camera. One cleaning wipe to help you clean your windscreen to install the adhesive mount on your windscreen. Package also comes with the two USB cables. One if you like to use the USB port on your cigarette lighter charger. Another one where you have a 12-volt converter built in the cable to install this one permanently on your car. Now just before we go ahead and install this camera in our car, let's install the application which is available from Google Play Store as well as from Apple Store as well. I'm using Android mobile phone. Let me open up Google Play Store and search for the app called Akenori Mobile Client and install it. Now whenever you open up the application, it will straight away connect to the Wi-Fi network of your camera. Once you've done it, that's what you're going to see, the live feed of your camera, which will help you to adjust where you would like to set your lens by using these knobs on it. And after that, if you like to access the settings of your camera, you go into press the menu button here. You can go straight into the settings of it, where you need to stop the recording first to start with, and you can access all the settings of it, where you're going to go with the video resolution and what you would like to see into. Would you like to see speed of your camera in miles or kilometers? You need to specify everything right in here. Sound, G sensor sensitivity, GPX alerts as well, and a country and a camera database too, which is available for the Russia at this moment of time. I'm not seeing any much more in there. If you keep scrolling down, you also got the information for the date and the time settings, sound, language, and the Wi-Fi password if you'd like to change on it. Now if you like to see what is recorded by this camera and SD card, you can go into the archive. Here you can see them all available. By press of one button, you can download them in your mobile phone by pressing right in there. So there you go, it will start to download sooner. Now in my opinion, it's a pretty much straightforward application. And you have to make sure that you enable the camera once you're done with it with the settings to record mode. Well, now you have seen everything about this dash cam, all the features it offers, day and the nighttime recording as well, and the way it's been mounted on your windscreen too. Not bad at all on average. While all videos are recorded in a really bad weather, but the camera performed, showed me everything I wanted to see, number plates and everything very clearly, to be honest with you. I would personally recommend this camera, honestly speaking. If you are considering buying a new camera this Christmas, why not consider Akenori? So that will be all from my side, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another video. Bye for now.